Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, the King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances that are usually very good value for money. They smell good. They're usually under the radar. Not many people talk about them. I think at least you should do your research, try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So in this video I have another unboxing and first impression for you, and this is the House of Al Haramain. House of Al Haramain is one of the biggest, if not the biggest, and the most famous perfume house from United Arab Emirates. They've been around for more than 50 years and they have a super extensive perfume lineup on their portfolio. They are a true niche house because they make everything inside the company, from the raw material to the final products, and they have so many tiers of perfumes, from super expensive to very affordable and reasonable prices. So this one is from their La Venture line, and this one is called Al Haramain La Venture Grapefruit. Al Haramain La Venture Grapefruit is 100 ml, is Extrait de Parfum. In United Kingdom you can find it around £50, give or take. In other parts of the world you have to do your research, see if it's available and how much it goes for. In terms of coloring, it's the same bottling and shape of bottle and also the boxes as other La Venture, but this one is a red color. But before I do the unboxing, please, if you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable or entertaining, don't forget to hit those buttons. Your finger can do wonders. Your finger movements, like likes, thank you for your likes, thank you for your shares, thank you for your comments, thank you for a subscription, which is free by the way. These things will help me to carry on with this endeavor to bring you fragrances like this in future that nobody else is talking about. They're amazing value for money and they are hidden gems. If you want to purchase one of my own perfumes, I'm a perfume myself. I make my own line of perfumes. They call the scent of Persia. I'm the perfumer, I'm the artist, I'm the worker, nobody else is involved. There are true handmade perfumes just for you lucky people in the United Kingdom. They are out of this world, super artistic, ultra beast mode, 100% natural, very mysterious, very unique, very artistic. They are like time capsule. They take you different places, different times, but you need to live in the United Kingdom to purchase them. They are one of the highest quality perfumes you can get for a price. I'll leave them in the link. If you want to buy me a coffee, you could do that. I'll leave them in the link as well. Thank you very much, and let's go. Sorry about the noise when you do unboxing. We can't do anything about the noise. So as I said, red coloring, but exactly the same box, which is a very thick plastic, and look at the coloring, beautiful coloring, and attention to detail is always there. With House of Al Haramain, they give you everything plus the kitchen sink for the price, and very heavy bottle, and this very reflective surface, which is a fingerprint magnet, and the cap says Al Haramain on it, and the cap is very heavy, and the atomizer is modern and silver. And here we go. Wow, look at the atomizer, beautiful, it's pressurized and it's gorgeous. So far everything's so good. Let's see how is this smell. This one's targeted unisex, and this one was sent to me by Al Haramain for review, but everything you see and you hear in this video is my opinion. They don't have any involvement. This video is not sponsored, this video is not affiliated, it's just pure information for you guys to take it from there and see if it's good to you or not. Okay, here we go. Ooh, feeling the room already. Here we go. First impression. Goodness me, sweet and more sweet. So this is a very sweet fragrance. First thing it hits me is the sweetness, and is very sweet. From 0 to 10, 10 being the sweetest, this is around 8 to 9. So it's just a very sweet fragrance. You need to have a sweet tooth to enjoy this. The second thing it hits me is the fruits. It's very fruity. So it's fruits and more fruits. It's like a basket of fruits, and I smell so many fruits in here. I definitely smell tropical fruit. I smell a little bit of mango. I smell apricot. I smell sweet, something like watermelon. I smell pear. So it's like a combination of so many fruits in here. They're almost fresh, but not fresh in the same time, because they are very sweet and dense. So it's like a basket of fruit which you chop, and you smell that fresh fruit from that basket. It's super fruity. Yeah, definitely, as he says, grapefruit. There's a big grapefruit in here. The only thing is, grapefruit is like secondary, which is funny because the name is grapefruit, but the grapefruit at the moment is secondary, is in the behind all those fruits. So it is very citrusy in the same time. So I smell definitely grapefruit. I smell lemon. I smell lime. So it's very, very zesty and very sparkly. It's like a champagne. It's very, very beautiful and juicy and inviting and sensual. This is definitely unisex to my nose. Anybody can wear it, but it leans hints on the feminine side if you care about these things. I absolutely be happy to wear it, and I'm a middle-aged man, Middle Eastern man, and I've been around fragrances for a very long time. So I'll be very, very happy to wear this, no problem. Oh my god, so many fruits. And after the sweetness and the fruits, which is like a basket of so many fruits, especially tropical fruits, especially sweet juicy fruits, is the florals. And I can smell rose. Definitely there's a rose in here, but rose is not huge at the moment, but it is there. And also I smell some white florals. Probably there's a white floral like what's his name, Lily of the Valley in here, to give it that little bit of powderiness, hint of powderiness in here, but not too big. Yeah, the base is very big vanilla in here, and also it's a little bit of sweet, caramelly, sugary as well. So it's very sweet, it's very sugary, it's smooth. It's very smooth for such a complex, so many layered things. It's very, very smooth, it's very rounded, it's very good perfumery. And for the price, absolutely yes, yes, yes. It smells gorgeous. To me, it smells like you know, when you go to nightclub or any club that many people are wearing so many fragrances that are sweet because of the occasion, and it's like so many perfumes together to making this perfume. It's like you go into that club and you're smelling hundreds of sweet fruity fragrance together, and then it gives you this feeling. Or when you go to wedding and the ladies are wearing so many maybe gourmand sweet fragrances for the occasion, and you smell mixture of so many perfumes in the air, and this is reminds me of that one. Or when you go to a department store and you are going through the aisle of perfumes, and so many the department workers there are basically spraying fragrances for people, and you're smelling the fragrance in the air. Again, it reminds me of that one. So it's very, very complex. I'm not sure if they are going for inspired by anything, but smells quite complex, fruity, sweet, caramelly, sugary, floral, rose, definitely white florals. The florals in here, as I said, Lily of the Valley, definitely. I smell maybe a little bit of jasmine in here. So it's very, very layered and complex, and but in the same time it's quite friendly and almost doesn't have an age. So from 18 to 180 anybody can wear it. So it's very playful, it's very it's like a naughty kind of fragrance. It's very sweet, it's very sensual, it's very fruity, and it's floral in the same time. I smell a little bit of body of patchouli in here, but it's not too big. The patchouli at the moment is in the background, and it's got a little bit of woodiness, but the woods are in here very clean. I smell some little bit of sandalwood and cedar together to lift everything and carry everything together. But for a first impression, absolutely yes, yes, yes. But what to take from this video, if you like it, super fruity, super zesty, super delicious, juicy, sparkling fruitiness, which is all very, very sweet and juicy, and it's like they're dripping and they're very sticky. This is very sticky and quite complex. In the mid I smell florals, rose, jasmine, Lily of the Valley, so many florals in here. Plus the base is quite thick vanilla and sticky gooey vanilla, plus that the little bit of that caramelly feel, sugary feel. So it's very, very complex for the what you know, the £50. Smells much more expensive than that. So if you like what I described, probably this is for you. The only thing is, as I said, it is a hint on the feminine side, but it doesn't mean anything. If you like this kind of fragrances, it doesn't matter who you are, you can wear it, no problem. In terms of season, this is all year rounder. You can use it in summer, in winter. The only thing is, in summer less sprays, in winter more spray. At the moment it's filling the room, filling the house. It's very, very strong projector. And in terms of occasion, this is very good for going out, for evening, for close encounter, dating, for clubbing, for going somewhere special like wedding. Beautiful, very, very sensual and very, very sexy in the same time. Okay guys, so that was the first impression. In the next video I'll let you know the longevity, the development and things like that, but for now, for first impression, absolutely yes, yes, yes. If you have it, if you know it, if you tried it, let us know your experience. That would be useful for others to read. If you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable, or entertaining, don't forget to hit those buttons. This way help me, encourage me, motivate me to bring you fragrances like this in future that nobody else is talking about. They're amazing value for money and they smell great and they are hidden gems, and this one definitely looks like it's going to be a hidden gem. If you like to purchase one of my own fragrances or my own perfumes, I have 20 of them, and they are, I leave them in the link. They are super artistic, ultra beast mode, 100% natural, amazing value for money. They are very, very artistic, very unique, very mysterious. You can't smell them, you can't find them anywhere else. It's just from me. When you smell them, first thing it hits you is the quality, and more quality of the ingredients, of the oils in there. There's no additive, there's no preservative, there's no alcohol, there's no synthetic, just pure perfume oil for you lucky people in United Kingdom. I leave them in the links. Thank you very much, and I see you later. Bye, bye, bye.